In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and publish your website using HostGator. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner just getting started, this guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring your website goes live smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by preparing your website files. It's important to have all your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files organized and ready to go. Make sure you've double-checked your code for any errors and that all files are named clearly and consistently. This step is crucial because once your site is live, making changes can be more cumbersome. So, take a moment now to ensure everything is polished and functioning as it should. Once your files are ready, the next step is to log in to your HostGator cPanel. This is your control center where you'll manage your website hosting. If you're not sure how to access it, simply check the welcome email you received from HostGator when you first signed up. It'll have details on accessing the cPanel, including your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find an array of tools aimed at helping you manage and optimize your website. Now, we'll move on to uploading your files to the public HTML directory where your website files need to reside in order to be accessible on the internet. Within cPanel, you'll find the File Manager tool. Open it, and you'll be able to upload your files directly into the public/HTML folder. If you're more comfortable using an FTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck, that's a great option too. You'll need to configure the client with your domain's FTP address, username, and password, which are usually found in your cPanel under FTP accounts or your initial setup email from HostGator. For those of you who are using databases, this is the point where you'll want to create them. Head back to the cPanel and look for the My School Databases section. Here, you'll create a new database and user and then connect your site's scripts to this database using the credentials you've just set up. Databases are often required for content management systems like WordPress, so it's an important step if your site relies on dynamic content. Finally, it's time to test everything. Visit your domain in a web browser to ensure all files have uploaded correctly and your site appears as you envisioned. Check links, scripts, and images to confirm everything is functional. If you encounter any issues, head back to the file manager or your FTP client to make necessary adjustments. There you have it. You've successfully uploaded your website to HostGator. This process may seem complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe